Probably cop a script with Roxy.
Wait, we got
Probably cop.
fuck I'm doing this.
Probably cop a script with Roxy. Y'all be kinda sloppy. Got me dodging all these body bag 'em in the lobby. Dropping Adderall and alcohol and then a pop of fucking Oxy. I'm a zombie, I'm a motherfucking dead man walking. Speak on naughty name, it's just another dead man talking. Got the dead man stalking, copy silhouette. Chalky, typing out your products, just another red-handed hawking. Cherry flavor, yeah. Ruby got the chicken head squawking. Do it how I does it, yeah. Fuck the way they say.